About 45 minutes of the Punta Cana International Airport is Macao, an area also known for its beautiful beach and resorts. And in Macao, there's also a project named Macao Hills. I went to visit Macao Hills this past week to check up on their progress, and in today's video, I will share that with you. Macao Hills has 3 phases. There are still a few lots available that you can choose from to have your home built. If this project is of interest to you, reach out to me via call or text to 809-223-8416 or send an email to info@propertiesbymasters.com. Thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, please support the channel by subscribing, liking this video, and sharing it with others who may benefit from this information. When you have a moment, follow me on Instagram at Properties by Masters and visit my webpage, propertiesbymasters.com. See you in the next video.